Thengia ya kuonekana ta mutaratara mweru wa githomo waya gutuba, dariri cia kunyita thinga na kwarirwo kwa mubango uyu ni ciekereirwo kurumirira mihang'o irathii nambere ya unyagia wa mabuku. Thirikari nirikitie kunyagia makiria ma mabuku mirioni 12 ma mathabu, githungu na Insha cukuru-ini ciothe cia muthingi. Makiria ma uguo gitanya kunyagia mabuku mangi mirioni 12 gukinyagia mweri wa keri mwaka uyu kuri mathomo maria matigarite kuri arutwo a grade ya mbere nginyagia ya gatatu.
There is no harm in the schools because we still give them some little money for buying books. If they want to buy 1 or 2 supplementary books that the teachers will use, but the books that we shall have issued as government will be enough for our children.
Akiaria cukuru-ini wa muthingi wa Tawamboni ya irathiro kaunti ya Machakos hindi ya guthurima mihang'o ya gutambia mabuku maya, Mwanadiki mukaru ministry ya githomo Belio Kipsag augiite mutaratara uyu uthiite o wega hatari hangarata.
You've seen one of the teachers who was having a lesson in English activity, who is already well grounded on having the children take lead, because this curriculum is about a child. It is child-centered.
Ona kuri uguo mutongoria wa kiungano kia arimu anene cukuru-ini cia secondary bururi-ini kahihindi ataririo na gutuika mutaratara wa kwandikithia arutwo wa NEMIS ni uretikirika kundu kumwe ni urahingo ni mihinga ya wagi wa thitima.
If you do not have a UPI number, you can admit the child using the birth certificate number. At this point, every child has a birth certificate. So maybe if they didn't carry one, they can be asked to go and get it. But sending the parents back to the primary school to go and get a UPI number, that one should not be done.
Belio abiririe thafari yake cukuru-ini wa secondary wa anake Machakos akirumanirira na uria arutwo aria mariyandikithia kuingira kirathi gia form 1 marandikithio kuhitukira mutaratara mweru wa NEMIS. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Julius Karithi wa Munene.